twos, and welcome to Tuesday's maths lesson. Like I said yesterday, we are going to continue with soldier sums every day for this week. All right, so our date today is 02-06-2020 and subtraction using soldier sums part 2. So what you are going to need for today is your whiteboard and a whiteboard marker, your quad maths books with your pencils, erasers and sharpeners, and your maths brains on. So pause your video and please go and get those things so we can begin. So we're going to work together now for a little bit on your whiteboard. We're going to do these sums and then you're going to check them. So on your whiteboard, please do the sum 97, take away 35. Pause the video and then check your answer. So remember your tens and ones. Put your numbers in their columns. A 19, don't forget your minus sign. A 90 and a 7 and a 30 and a 5. Your equal lines, and starting with your ones, 7 take away 5 is 2. 9 take away 3 is 6, and your answer is 62. And I'm sure you all got it right because looking at the work coming in from yesterday in your quad maths books, you guys did a super job. All right, let's go on to the next one. The sum is 76 take away 23. Pause the video and then check your answer. 70 and a 6, a 20 and a 3. Your equal line, starting with your ones, 6 take away 3 is 3. Moving to your tens, 7 take away 2 is 5. So our answer is 53. Super easy. Okay. Next sum, 56 take away 10. Let's put it into our columns. 50 and a 6, a 10. Equal lines, starting with the babies, 6 take away 0 is 6. Moving to our tens, 5 take away 1 is 4. So our answer is 46. And I know a lot of you can do that sum in your head, but I just want you to make sure that you write it down, that you understand how to write it down in the columns. All right. Okay. Quickly rub off your whiteboards and we're going to practice counting in threes. We haven't done it in a while and I want to see if you can all remember it. So on your whiteboards, this is our challenge today. Write down your counting in threes, starting at 3 up to 36. And please ask Mom to send a picture on to the groups so that I can see that you're all managing to remember how to count in threes, which is very important. Okay. So when you're finished with the, writing your numbers down, unpause the video and check that you got them right. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27, 30, 33, and 36. There are all your your multiples of 3 counting in threes. Hope you got that all right. And still remember, even if we don't ask you to do the threes, please practice counting in all your numbers, your 2s, your 5s, your 10s, your 3s. You've got to keep practicing. It's like reading. Keep practicing so that you remember how to do it. Okay, so for today's work, you're going to complete the subtraction sums in your quad book again. And then you're going to complete the next page of your bonds book. Please time yourself and write your time on top. And remember when you're doing bonds, not to use any help. No number lines or number charts. Try not to use your fingers. This is about working it out in your head. Okay, so no help from mom or dad's, and do it as quickly as you can. Right, in your quad books, you're going to write the date and heading 02-06-2020, and your heading is subtraction sums. Here are your 6 subtraction sums for today. Just like you did yesterday, write them neatly in your quad books. You can use your green and yellow pencils to make your columns. And don't forget to send us pictures. Have a super day, and I will see you tomorrow.